Welcome to Crammond. So, basically, we're going to be on the beach today. And if you want to see another episode with the island, then subscribe and then turn on notifications. And then you'll get, then YouTube will let you know when I posted a new video. You can check your notifications top right, the bell, and then basically I'll just tell you what video it is, and yeah, you'll be able to know if I've posted the Crammond Island video. So this is Crammond Beach. No idea the name of it. I'm going to show you what there is here to do. So, there's quite a decent amount of stuff to do here. And the first thing is looking for really cool shells. There's like this tiger looking shell. The shells are pretty much like random. You can find a lot of different types of shells. For example, that one with a hole in it. You can find some rocks like these. I believe that is man-made. Yeah, I think that's man-made. And would you look at this? This is like a cool, like pinkish orange shell. It's quite cool. No idea what that is. And there's also quite a bit of grass up here. You can go explore the grass. There's some flowers on the beach with all the grass peeking out of the beach. And thankfully there's not that much litter. Except from this. Who put that? It's dumb. So, there kind of isn't that much to do, but there is some litter, so if you ever want to come here and go litter picking, feel free. I do not believe you're allowed to fish here, but yeah. The weather is horrific. It's freezing cold outside. Plants are having a wee shower, including me. I don't know why, but I really like this area. It's got like this plant, the sand surrounding the plants. What's this beach called?
Crammond.
Well, I thought they were just Crammond. Crammond Beach, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, the island is massive. Really big. We got some mushrooms in there. Well, what is this? This is the discovery for today's episode. I have no clue what it is. It's like this bronze thing. I'm going to take this home on display. And that's going to wrap up for today's video. See you next time.